Thanks for calling Woodforest Elementary. Okay, so has your child been enrolled here before? No? Okay. Yes, ma'am. You would need to come here to the main office. Yes, you would need to schedule an appointment. Would you like me to set you an appointment? Okay. Okay, can I get your child's first and last name along with the date of birth? Okay, can you spell that last name for me? All right, thank you. Okay, let's see. Okay, how about tomorrow at 10:45? Okay, perfect. All right. Okay, so I have you all set for tomorrow at 10:45, and you will need to bring in your photo ID. Yes, ma'am. Oh, my pleasure. Okay, you're welcome, and we'll see you tomorrow at 10:45. Okay, you too. Bye-bye. Good morning. Okay, so she didn't receive her schedule? Okay, so the first thing I would need to do is check your address to make sure that we have the correct address on file. Okay. Can I get your child's first and last name? Okay, and date of birth? Okay, can you verify the home address? Okay, so yes, that is the correct address that we have on file. Um, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and print you out another schedule. So what you can do is go ahead and have a seat. Thanks for calling Woodforest Elementary. Yes, sir. You will need to come in and fill out a lunch form application. Yes, you will need to come into the main office. Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. till 12:30 p.m. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, you too. Bye-bye. Okay, you're all done. Okay. See. Okay, can I get you to sign, print, and date? Oh, that's okay. Yep, that's why we go over it before you guys leave out. Thank you. Okay, so you should hear something from us within the next 5 to 7 business days, dear. Yes, ma'am. Okay, you too. Okay, dear. Have a good day. Bye. Okay, did you get all of your paperwork done? Okay, great. Morning. Okay, so you have an appointment with Kimberly? Okay, what time? Okay, your first and last name? Okay. Okay, dear, have you checked in? You can have a seat and she'll be with you shortly. Yes, ma'am.